This morning we have 1 medium-sized beetroot, 1 lemon, half a cucumber, and some ginger. Okay, and that's what we're going to be using this morning to make this beautiful juice. Very good for you. You can drink it in the morning, you can drink it in the evening, you can drink it at night, you can drink it anytime. It's also very good to lower your blood pressure also. All right, this helps to also balance the blood sugar same way. Good vibes. This is our blender. So we put in 1 medium-sized lemon into the blender like that. And we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of fresh ginger into it. And this is the cucumber. No, this is a beetroot. All right, and then cucumber. Good vibes, people. So now you can see the reason why I like to be in the kitchen to give you guys these recipes. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put some water into it. For about a cup of water. All right. Then we'll put on the lid. Okay. And then we'll simply talk about the book. So there's a 50% off on the book right now. If you don't get yourself a copy yet, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments. So what we're going to do, we're going to blend this. Excellent. So here we are this morning. All right. Here we are this morning. Beautiful cup of juice this morning, guys. Excellent. Very, very excellent. So we're just gonna simply use our spoon. It's a little bit smooth. It's all good. All right. See that? Now look at that. Beautiful and nice. I'm gonna just rest this. I'm gonna drain out some more of it. Yeah. And that looking really good. Amazing and fantastic juice. Excellent in the morning there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Amazing. So you want to drink this first thing in the morning. You can drink it during the day, whatever time suitable for you. Good vibes. Leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think about my beautiful juice this morning. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Keep you guys updated. Good vibes. Yeah, man. So that's another beautiful and healthy juice this morning. Yeah, so if you feel free to make something lovely, this is really one of those kind of juice you can make at home. Let's go for it. rich and nice. That is amazing and fantastic. Wow. Now, what I'm gonna do, I got a little bit left in it. I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper inside of it. It's a pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix it around. Then take a shot. Very spicy. But that's good. Wow. So, thank you so much for watching this morning show. Wow. Really appreciate it and hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Stay blessed and I'll catch you with the next one. It's amazing to be back in the kitchen, giving the favorite recipes. Have a lovely day and see you later on. Bye-bye.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.